Hello! Okay, here we go. So, I did a really cool video over at Patreon, and they were nice enough to let me share this video with you guys. So, I hope you enjoyed this video release, and I have not forgotten about the contest winners. I'm going to let it go until Monday just so we can get a couple of more people in because people are still entering. So, the winner will be announced on Monday. Enjoy the episode. Alright, so I owe you guys one more. And I think you're going to like this one. There is something I want to talk about, and it is called social proof. Now, social proof began to pop up in many different forms. Obviously, whenever you think of these different psychological nuances, they're going to try and find a way to make money off of it, right? So you'll see examples of social proof in employment, in entertainment, social media. So what exactly is social proof? And I'll pull this straight from Wikipedia, which is social proof is considered prominent in ambiguous social situations where people, and here's the key, are unable to determine the appropriate mode of behavior. So, in other words, when people aren't sure how to act, they'll look towards other people to gain context. So, just think about that. When might we see examples of social proof, especially in situations where there are groups of people and perhaps something like a club or a bookstore or a movie, and you're not quite sure how to act, and there are single eligible people there. Or even, you might be in a relationship at a party. So, how does social proof appear in these situations? Because it can be kind of confusing, and we can make it mean many things when it only means one or two things. Social proof reflects information to everybody in that situation. So if I am in a group that is at a party, and I mean, I'm really on, I'm cracking the funniest jokes, and I am just in my element, and my partner's there standing next to me, and she's laughing, the jokes are funny, but everybody else in the audience is just, they're dying. And then one of the girls comes up and flirts with me. My social proof has just risen. The person I'm with, be it my partner, be it a girl that I would like to date, or maybe it's even my ex, is seeing social proof from everybody around me that, like, wow, maybe I missed something. Like, look how much people like him, and they're laughing at his jokes, and that one girl's flirting with him. Maybe I was wrong. My social proof, my value, my perceived social value is rising. To continue the reading, social proof is one type of conformity. When a person is in a situation where they are unsure of the correct way to behave, they will often look to others for clues concerning the correct behavior, aka context. That's what we mentioned earlier. When we conform because we believe that others' interpretation of an ambiguous situation is more accurate than ours, it will help us choose the appropriate course of action. So we can see types of social proof all over life. I mean, in every walk of life, if you think about it. If I am, for the first time, going to a friend's house, I've never been there, I've had the friend forever, but I've never been to their house, I'm going to look to them to how to act around their parents. Are their parents more like jokey type people? Is it okay to let my hair down around these people? Or do I have to be much more conservative and relaxed and to myself? Situations like this exist everywhere. But in relationships, in attraction, if somebody doesn't know us, and they see everyone around us laughing, having a good time with us, they are far more likely to copy and mimic that behavior, to conform, as context for how to act around us. So social proof can very much help you attract somebody back, attract somebody new, raise attraction for someone you already have, and all it takes is you being your best self, and like I said, being attractive. Because what does attraction do? It pulls people towards you, that magnetic pull, that attraction. And the best way to do that is to be somebody that people want to be around. And people want to be around others who make them feel good about themselves. I don't remember what video I said this in, or maybe it was a live chat, but I said, we seek what we lack. And we'll usually look for it in people and in situations. So, when you're the type of person with a magnetic, charming personality, lots of charisma, you will attract more people who want to be around you. And that, in turn, will give social proof to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think.